the origin story of Unity Road, because it's an interesting story that leads us into some other questions that I can't wait to get into. But if you could kind of give us your Marvel Comics origin story of Unity Road, that would be awesome.
Yeah, I was bitten by a radioactive spider. Oh no,
Love it. I love that you're rolling with the theme. I love
sorry.
it. Yes.
Yeah, so for us, it was about combining these two industries, right? So a lot of our team, myself included, our background is franchising, and franchising is duplication, brand, recipe for success, customer experience, the same experience from one location to the next, right? And so the cannabis world is so new and so fresh and so amazing that it doesn't have any of that. And so for us, there was two paths to really do this. One, to bring that consistency, to bring that branding and be a pioneer in doing that to the cannabis world. Also to bring the amazing average unit volumes and things into the franchise world. But then really at our core as franchisors, it's about creating a roadmap. It's about showing people the way to get into a business, and the hurdles that are in cannabis, as I'm sure many have found, are extraordinary. And even people with really robust business backgrounds and retail backgrounds, they get into cannabis and they're like, whoa, it's complicated. I say it's complicated 7,000 times a day. And so for us, it's about helping people kind of riding shotgun on that journey to navigate those complications by combining those two industries, which we're super excited about.